Welcome to Irby Electronics. This is the standard version of Project 13, containing one green light-emitting diode and one red LED. Other versions of this kit are available in just one LED colour, either both green or both red. The integrated circuit controls the alternate switching on and off of the LEDs. The rate at which this happens can be altered by turning a small screwdriver or a bent paper clip in the slot of the variable resistor. One 9-volt PP3 battery is needed to power this circuit. More information is available on the website. Thanks for watching.